In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Convertkit in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. If you're not sure which browser to use, most popular options like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari should work just fine. Once you've opened your browser, head over to the Convertkit website. Simply type in the URL and hit Enter. It's always a good idea to ensure that your internet connection is stable as well, as this will help everything run more smoothly. Next, you're going to need to either log in with your existing account or create a new one if you're not already a user. For those who already have an account, just enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. If you're new, don't worry, the registration process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set up an account, and soon you'll have access to everything Convertkit has to offer. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your name displayed. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Help. This step is key, as it will direct you to the resources you need when you want to contact support. You'll notice a pop-up window appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your Help section with several options available. You can choose from Home, Help, and Messages. What we're particularly interested in at this moment is exploring the Help section. In the Help area, you'll find a variety of articles that cover frequently asked questions and common issues users encounter. It's definitely worth checking out to see if your question or problem is addressed there. These resources are designed to assist you in troubleshooting without needing to reach out directly to support, so it can be a real time saver. However, if you find that your issue remains unsolved even after searching through the available articles, you have the option to send a direct message to the Convertkit support team for additional help. Making use of this direct communication channel is a good way to get more personalized support, especially for very specific questions or challenges that might not be thoroughly covered in the general help articles. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to access support through Convertkit's website. Whether you can sort out your issue through the articles or need to reach out for further assistance, you are well equipped to get the help you need efficiently. So, go ahead and tackle those challenges with confidence, knowing that support is just a few clicks away.